The Supreme Court heard arguments in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health today in what is undoubtedly the most consequential case involving abortion to come before the Supreme Court since Roe v. Wade in 1973. Thousands of pro-life and abortion supporters gathered outside the court, resulting in a few less than cordial exchanges. Abortion rights advocates expressed their desire for Roe to remain the law of the land and for a woman's, quote, bodily autonomy, end quote, to remain.
I think we all have a right to body autonomy, and I would encourage them to hold those beliefs for themselves, and but not to dictate what I can do with my body.
There was also some debate as to when a baby becomes a, quote, viable life. Your upbringing, when do you consider life to have begun?
I actually don't have that exact point that I would tell you right now on public television.
On the pro-life side, many said their top priority was to save preborn babies from a potentially early demise.
They have a heartbeat, they grow fingers, they grow a brain. It's just not right.
We hope to see eventually all life protected from the moment of fertilization, but this is a step in the right direction because it returns the power to make these decisions to the states instead of just relying on this bad precedent that kind of Roe created from the beginning.
No, we don't need Roe!
As the morning continued, justices inside the Supreme Court seemed to indicate they were leaning towards a change in Roe v. Wade. The Daily Citizen's Bruce Houseknecht has more.
After you're listening to the oral arguments, it's clear that something is going to change with regard to Roe versus Wade and Casey versus Planned Parenthood, the two cases that control abortion in this country. That's good news for pro-life supporters across the country. We'll have to wait a few months to find out what's actually going to come of it, but all indications are that it will be favorable to the pro-life side.
While we won't know the outcome of the court's decision until June of next year, many pro-life supporters are hopeful that the lives of the unborn will soon be protected again under the law.
Of course, we hope that Roe v. Wade is overturned, but as we know, it would go back to the state level to mandate those laws, but that's actually what we're hoping for.